everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I am looking very rough this morning. Excuse these hideous spots on my face. In today's video, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing a vlog, so like, I don't know, spend the day with me I guess. I'm now sat at my dressing table as you can see. I haven't yet got a vlog camera, so the phone it is. Yeah, I'm going to just start doing my makeup and bring you along with me for the day. Right, so now we're just pulling up to Sam's house. We're just gonna get the dog and his brother, and we're gonna head to Rufford Park, which is a little country park right near us, isn't it? So yeah, we're gonna go get the dog. Oh. Hello. Mouse, Molly, do you wanna go for a walk? Do you want to go for a walk? Let's go. Go. Mouse.
Molly.
Mouse. Mouse. She won't go.
Do it. You're not really interested in little ones like this, I'll show you. But Molly!
Mouse.
If they ain't interested because they're just too small, it's no challenge.
So as you can probably tell, we are here now. We're just having a little walk through the woods, and yeah, it's lovely. Such a nice day here today. I think it was about 16 degrees when we were on the way here. But yeah, as you can hear, Sam is just like talking to himself. He's just in front, he's just there he is. And Ben's come with us, he's Sam's brother. And we brought Sam's dog, Molly. But yeah, so I'll keep you updated on what we get up to. Just tripped over. But yeah, he's just trying to get Miles to fetch sticks. But she's not a dog that does that. Literally. So I'm having to vlog on my phone, of course, as my camera is way too big. But it's just so beautiful here. Like, we're just in the middle of the woods, as you can see.
Where the other side of the lake, people look at you.
Ben's just having a pee.
In his natural habitat.
Here's Sam. But yeah, it's such a nice day, isn't it? How?
There's the dog's being too.
Oh yeah, everyone's
Big
having wheeze. But yeah, as you can see, here's everyone. There's Ben.
Do you want me to film while you do yours, Els, or
What, my wee?
keep it off YouTube?
I don't need a wee, I'm alright. Climbing trees now.
I reckon I forget the
Go on then, give me moles.
I've said it now.
Yeah, I know. Come here, moles. Go on, Sam. You tree climbing expert. Oh, he's having a good go, look. Oh, Molly!
What about me? I'm in the tree.
You had a good go, didn't you? Mr. Tarzan.
A bad one.
No, Ben, you couldn't reach it.
Oh, they've maxed up climbing.
Oh, bless him. He's just twisted his ankle now. That's what tree climbing does to you, I
Do it
suppose.
for the tubes.
For the tube.
I'm actually in pain. Week off.
Ben's having a go now.
Just do that second U there. You're an explorer. So she walked. Shimmy, best jump.
Just don't find better water.
She doesn't like water either, does she?
Yeah, me neither.
Training Molly went wrong.
You're off, sport champion. Just you wait.
Sit. Paw. Good girl.
Yeah, man.
Thanks. I don't know if I want some.
Yeah. I got a kiss day. Is the nose. Thumbs up it then.
It's really nice. White chocolate chip. Oh, look at the little seating area.
Be great to break into here. Have Bart and focusing on that.
So we're gonna head back now.
Been to
Go
the
back.
dog park, made loads of friends.
Moses here. Ben.
She's covered in her own saliva.
Yeah, we just had an ice cream,
She's
as
had
you would have
3.
just seen. Who? Me?
No moles.
Oh, Muz. But yeah, so we're just gonna head back now to the car and then go see if we can find some food. Because we're
Hopefully chips.
starving and our legs are hurting. Especially yours. You've been climbing trees and running, haven't you?
Hashtag fitness.
Where are we?
Your favourite.
So it's been like 2 hours now since I last filmed, I had a barbecue chicken wrap from McDonald's and it was lush. Sam's here, he's just had a little bit of a KFC. But what we've done in the meantime is we went to see Sam's nan for a little while and we just saw her for a bit. And then I've just been to TK Maxx to grab Mum a late Mother's Day present because I'm such a fab daughter. Oh gosh, my highlight's looking good. But yeah, so now I'm just on the way back and I'll keep you updated. So we're back at home now, as you can see, we're just chilling. We've had a really good day. We are absolutely shattered now, aren't we?
Yeah.
As you can see, he's so talkative. But yeah, so now I'm just gonna probably edit this vlog and chill, really. So thank you so much for watching this little vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment down below anything that you would like to see from me in the future. I've got some things planned. So thanks for watching. Like this video and subscribe. Bye. Say bye.